In recent years, the trend of working from home has gained immense popularity, driven by the desire for flexibility and the opportunity to create a sustainable income. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most enjoyable and fulfilling ways to generate income from home is through woodworking. Woodworking projects can be both simple and intricate, allowing individuals to express their creativity while producing items that are in demand. Many woodworking projects, in particular, are an excellent way to start small, develop skills, and gradually build a business. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to explore a new hobby, there are countless opportunities to make money from home by creating mini woodworking projects. One of the primary advantages of mini woodworking projects is that they often require minimal materials and tools. This makes them accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of woodworking. For instance, creating small wooden toys can be an excellent entry point. Wooden toys have a timeless appeal and are often sought after by parents looking for safe, durable alternatives to plastic toys. Simple designs such as building blocks, puzzles, or animal figures can be crafted with just a few pieces of wood and some basic tools. Once you have created your products, you can sell them at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media platforms. Another great mini woodworking project idea is making home decor items. Items like wooden coasters, picture frames, and candle holders are not only easy to make but also have a high demand in the market. These projects often require minimal investment in materials, and you can experiment with different finishes and designs to create unique pieces. For example, you can use reclaimed wood to give your items a rustic charm or paint them in vibrant colors to attract a younger audience. By showcasing your work on platforms like Etsy or Instagram, you can reach potential customers who appreciate handmade, artisanal products. If you're looking for something a bit more functional, consider creating organizational items such as small shelves, key holders, or desk organizers. These projects can be incredibly practical and appeal to a wide audience. Many people are always on the lookout for ways to declutter their living spaces, and unique wooden organizers can help them do just that. You can personalize these items by offering customization options, such as engraving names or initials, which can significantly increase their value and appeal. Additionally, many woodworking projects can extend to creating outdoor items. Birdhouses, planters, and garden decorations are popular among gardening enthusiasts and can be made from scrap wood or inexpensive materials. These projects allow you to tap into the growing interest in gardening and sustainable living. By designing eye-catching birdhouses or creative planters, you can attract customers who want to enhance their outdoor spaces. Selling these items at local farmers markets or gardening expos can also provide exposure to a targeted audience. For those interested in seasonal opportunities, consider creating holiday-themed mini woodworking projects. Items like ornaments, decorations, and gift items can be highly profitable during the holiday season. Crafting unique wooden ornaments or festive decorations can attract customers looking for special gifts or personal touches for their homes. By starting early and promoting your products through social media and local events, you can build anticipation and drive sales during peak shopping times. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the ability to teach others your craft. If you enjoy sharing your knowledge and skills, consider offering woodworking classes or workshops from your home. This can be an excellent way to generate additional income while fostering a sense of community among fellow woodworking enthusiasts. You can focus on teaching specific mini projects that participants can complete during the class, providing them with hands-on experience and valuable skills. As you develop your woodworking skills and begin selling your creations, it's essential to establish an online presence. Creating a website or blog dedicated to your woodworking projects can help you showcase your work and connect with potential customers. High-quality photographs of your completed projects, along with engaging descriptions, can draw in visitors and encourage them to make purchases. Additionally, utilizing social media platforms like Pinterest and Facebook can help you reach a broader audience and promote your products effectively. Networking within the woodworking community is another valuable strategy for growing your business. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums allows you to connect with other woodworkers who can share tips, resources, and support. Collaborating with other artisans on joint projects or participating in group shows can also help increase your visibility and attract new customers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? When it comes to pricing your mini woodworking projects, it's essential to strike a balance between affordability and profitability. Consider the cost of materials, the time spent on each project, and any additional expenses such as shipping or marketing when determining your prices. Researching similar products in the market can also give you insight into competitive pricing strategies. Remember that handmade items often carry a premium price tag due to their uniqueness and craftsmanship. As you gain experience and confidence in your woodworking skills, consider expanding your product line to include more intricate projects or custom orders. Offering bespoke items allows you to cater to individual customer preferences and can lead to higher profit margins. For example, creating custom furniture pieces or personalized gifts can set you apart from mass-produced alternatives and attract discerning buyers. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of any home-based business. Consider leveraging various online platforms to promote your mini woodworking projects effectively. Creating engaging content such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes videos, or blog posts about your woodworking journey can help build an audience interested in your work. Email marketing is another powerful tool that allows you to connect with potential customers directly and keep them informed about new products or promotions. Customer service is equally important for building a loyal customer base. Responding promptly to inquiries, addressing concerns professionally, and providing quality products will help establish trust with your customers. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can significantly impact your business's growth and reputation. In addition to selling finished products, consider offering woodworking kits that allow customers to create their own mini projects at home. These kits can include pre-cut wood pieces, instructions, and necessary tools. This not only expands your product offerings but also caters to individuals who may be interested in woodworking but lack the experience or tools to start from scratch. As you explore various mini woodworking project ideas, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Don't hesitate to experiment with different materials or techniques to develop unique products that stand out in the market. Collaborating with artists from other disciplines, such as painting or metalworking, can also lead to innovative designs that combine different mediums. The journey of making money from home through mini woodworking projects is not just about financial gain, it's also about personal fulfillment and creativity. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful objects is unparalleled. Each project provides an opportunity for learning and growth as you refine your skills over time. In conclusion, mini woodworking projects offer an exciting avenue for generating income from home while allowing individuals to tap into their creativity. From crafting wooden toys and home decor items to creating organizational tools and seasonal decorations, there are endless possibilities for woodworkers of all skill levels. By establishing an online presence, networking within the community, and providing excellent customer service, aspiring woodworkers can turn their passion into a profitable venture. Embrace the journey of woodworking as both a means of income generation and a fulfilling creative outlet that brings joy not only to yourself but also to those who appreciate your craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.